morning everyone. Welcome to the class of English Literature. So today we are going to study a very interesting chapter which is very easy also, and you will get to know some very important aspects of your daily life through it. Before starting the chapter, as I always do, I have something interesting for you, and that is going to be a food for thought. So I have a question for you all. Panchayat, Supreme Court and High Court, what do? Are their functions same? And if their functions are same, then why don't we use one thing instead of the three? Why only Supreme Court? Why not only High Court? And why not only Panchayat? Why do we have these kind of divisions, Supreme Court, High Court and Panchayat? Then what is their role? What actually do they do? Are there any constitutional bodies or something? So you're going to write it down on the comment sections below. So now let's start with the chapter. The chapter name is The Holy Panchayat. Now why it is called holy, children? Holy is pious, pure, where there is no lie, where there is no bad things. So why Panchayat is called holy? Because in Panchayat you always get the right decision. Panchayat is known to give you the correct decisions always. No biased nature, nothing. If you are correct, then you will be the winner, and if you are wrong, then you will be the loser and you have to pay for it. So in this chapter, children, there are two main characters. First is Jumman Sheikh and second is Algu Chaudhary. Now both of them are very good friends. They used to do their farming. They had an occupation as farming, and few of the deals they used to do together. Some of the deals they even did together. Now this Jumman Sheikh had an aunt. She was very old. So now Jumman and his family, they used to treat this aunt very nicely. Not because she was their aunt, but if there was another thing because of which they used to treat her well. She had some property with her, and Jumman wanted that property of aunt. So what did he started doing? He started favoring her. He started giving good things to her, talking to her politely, and one day finally he signed a contract with her, which showed that the property that aunt has is now with Jumman. Now Jumman has taken control of aunt's property. Now aunt is left with nothing. So after he got hold of the property, he started ill-treating aunt, misbehaving with her. He used to abuse her, he used to daily taunt her, you are a burden for us, you're living in this house, and so and so. So one day aunt finally said, listen Jumman, I can't tolerate this anymore. You give me monthly allowances and I will leave this house. But I need my monthly allowances because you have taken my property and I am a member of this house, and rather it was my own property. So at least I should get a little share of it. I should get any allowances for it. Now Jumman refused completely. He said, what? Do you think we are growing money on the plant? Money on the tree? You think we have this much money with us that we will give you allowances? So now aunt said, either you listen to me or else I am going to contact the Panchayat. I am going to discuss this matter with Panchayat. It is going to be legal. Now Jumman started laughing. He said, Panchayat, go. Let me see what Panchayat you have. So one day finally what happened? Aunt went to Panchayat and told all the things, whatever the story has happened. Now children, here comes the role of Ramdhan Mishra. He was also a member of the Panchayat only, but because there are so many people, so they need to choose one person who will give the decision, who will be the Panchayat head. So Ramdhan was a person who had already won many cases against Jumman. So he asked him directly, Jumman, you tell me whom do you want to be the Panchayat? Tell me, which one do you want to be the Panchayat? So he said that whatever aunt chooses, he said, I don't want anyone to decide. Whatever she is going to choose, I am going to accept it. And I believe that Panchayat words are the words of God. That means whatever Panchayat will say, it is totally true and I am going to accept it. So he said, I don't want to choose. You let aunt choose whoever she wants. So now aunt chooses Algu Chaudhary as the Panchayat. And remember friends, remember students, Jumman and Algu were friends. Now aunt chose Algu as the Panchayat head. Now he has to take the decision if Jumman is correct or aunt is correct. So initially Algu said, aunt, I'm really sorry. He is my good friend. I don't want to enter into your family matters. Whatever your land disputes are, you choose somebody else. So she said, are you doing a barter system? Now what was barter system? You give something something in return of other. Suppose if I have 10 rupees, so I give you something else in place of 10 rupees. I give you 10 rupees, you give me something else. I teach you, you give me money. That kind of barter system, right? So now she said, really, you're going to barter your friendship for your iman? You've lost all your dignity and respect. I have told you to take a wise decision and you're just ignoring it. So Algu somewhere realized, he heard the matter, and finally he came to the conclusion that Jummon, you are wrong, and aunt should get the allowances. She should get the money of the land that you have taken from her. When Jummon heard this statement from Algu, his best friend, he got very angry, and somewhere he started disliking him. He started hating him. Now children, the another part of the story says that this Algu had 2 oxen. He had 2 oxen. One died for any instance. There was no reason why it died. So now Jummon said that because Algu took a wrong decision, this oxen had died because of his bad decision. Why? Because Allah is watching everyone, and it is the Allah's result. It is the Allah's punishment to Algu that one of his oxen is died. However, Algu felt that he had given the ox poison. Algu felt that Jummon had given poison to the ox. But that was not the truth. And what did Jummon feel? That it is the punishment that is given to Algu. Now the second ox he had, he sold it to Samju Sahu and his family. The second ox he sold it to Samju Sahu. Now when Samju Sahu bought that ox, it was working fine. But gradually Samju started, giving lots of burden to the ox. He never used to give the ox proper food. So finally the ox collapsed. It died and it never stood up. Now when it came to know, Sanju got to know about the ox, he abused Algu. What kind of ox did you give it to me? It did not even work for a month. Now how will I get my food? How will I do? There are so many things. And Sanju was on the way when the ox collapsed. So one entire night he was into that place only. He couldn't come to his house. So he and his wife started abusing Algu. So Algu said, I gave you the ox proper. I don't know what you did with her. But I want my money of the ox that I gave it to you. Now Samju said, what money? Your ox did not work for even 1 month. I am not going to give you any money. So now Samju, like aunt has said, Algu and Samju also went to the panchayat for this matter, if they had to give money to the ox. So now Algu went to the panchayat along with Samju. Now Samju told the entire case and Algu also kept his part. Now again Ramdan Mishra said, Algu, you choose which person do you want to be at the panchayat. Who do you want to give you the judgment? So he again said, even for me it's the same case that panchayat is the god. So whoever takes the decision, I am comfortable with it. So now Ramdan goes to Samju. He said, now you tell me which person you want. Now Samju knows that these two people have a rift, have a problem. So Samju said that for me the panchayat will be Jummon Sheikh. Now all the responsibility came to Jummon Sheikh. Now here is a twist to the story. According to the first instance, Algu did not help Jummon, rather he helped aunt, because he was on the position of panchayat and he had to tell the truth. Now since Jummon is on the post of panchayat, what will he do? Will he do the right thing, or he will just favor Samju because he has not helped him at the time of need? So students, let me tell you, because Jummon was on the post of panchayat, he listened to the entire case and he was truthful. He told that Algu should get the money of the ox, and so Samju is wrong. He told Samju that when you had brought that ox from Algu, it was all fine. So if you had given money that time, you wouldn't be asking any question now, because you did not give the money and now you misbehaved with ox. The ox fell because of you. Now you are asking money from Algu. Now you are not giving money to him. So he finally concluded the judgment by saying that Algu should get the money, and Algu actually got the money. So after the panchayat was over, both of them hugged each other, Jummon and Algu again, and they became friends again. But Algu had a doubt. He said, how come you took my side? How come you helped me? Because in your case, I made you sell property to aunt. You had to give her the allowances. So Jummon said, it is because of the holy panchayat. Because now I realized what it means to be on the post of panchayat. When I realized that the judgment was to be mine, and if I give the right decision, things can change. And if I give the wrong decision, things can change in a negative way also. So now I understood why you gave the result, why you gave the statement against me, because that time you were the panchayat and now I was on the post of panchayat, so I chose the correct decision and which is you. So this is the story of the Holi Panchayat, how panchayat holds an important responsibility of giving the real and the truth fact. I hope you have understood the chapter, and if you like my video, please go like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.